Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest fitness supplements and gear. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about post-workout drinks on the market, XTEND Original BCAA Powder in Blue Raspberry Ice flavor. If you're looking for the ultimate solution to combat soreness and maximize your recovery, you're in the right place. Now, XTEND has been a dominant force in the fitness industry since 2004. And their original BCAA powder has garnered a massive following for good reason. It's not just your average post-workout drink, it's a powerhouse blend designed to kickstart your recovery process and alleviate soreness like never before. So, why do we consider XTEND Original the best post-workout drink for soreness? Let's break it down. First up, we have the star of the show, the 7 grams of BCAAs packed into every serving. These BCAAs, including leucine, isoleucine, and valine, are clinically proven to support muscle recovery and growth. Say goodbye to that post-workout soreness. But XTEND doesn't stop there. They've also included a replenishing electrolyte blend to keep you hydrated during and after your workout. We all know the importance of staying hydrated for optimal performance and recovery, and XTEND has you covered. And here's the cherry on top. XTEND Original is sugar-free, calorie-free, and carb-free. That means you can enjoy delicious blue raspberry ice flavor without any guilt. It's the perfect way to satisfy your taste buds while supporting your fitness goals. But don't just take my word for it. XTEND Original has been tested and trusted by athletes, lifters, and champions worldwide. With its NSF contents tested and certified and Informed Choice certified status, you can have peace of mind knowing that you're fueling your body with a safe and effective product. So there you have it, folks. XTEND Original BCAA Powder in Blue Raspberry Ice flavor is the ultimate solution for post-workout soreness. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, this powerhouse blend will help you recover faster, train harder, and achieve your goals. Don't let soreness hold you back. Grab XTEND Original today and experience the difference for yourself. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, stay fit and stay healthy.